Based on the increasing security issues in Igbo land, I want to help you guys by introducing this method of safeguarding to you guys. I want to introduce this method of protection to you guys. I want to show you how to protect yourself from gun. I want to show you how to protect yourself from gun and knife cuts. This is a simple way you can protect yourself from cutlass, knife, and from any kind of accident against you. Getting injured. A cutlass or knife cannot penetrate on you, and even if you had an accident, you will not have a single injury or wounds on your body. Just get these two things and follow my instruction as written. Get stubborn grass, alligator pepper seeds. These two things I have just mentioned, this is how you can make use of it. If you know where this stubborn grass grows, you don't have to go and uproot it from its base. You let it be there. It always grows around us. After finding one, every evening when the sun is set and it is already dark, you will go to where this leaf called stubborn grass grows. But before you go, you must get one full alligator pepper. Open it from the back. Anytime you want to go to the leaf, you go with 4 pieces of alligator pepper seeds. When you get to the leaf, you will remove your slippers or shoe. If there is any ring, necklace on you, you will remove them. Then you will say to the leaf, stubborn grass, you mention your name, the son of, come to you for protection against cutlass, knife, and any kind of accident from you getting injured or wounds on your body. As I seek such shall you do it for me. Immediately you finish saying this, you will pluck only one leaf, single leaf, out. Then you put these 4 alligator pepper seeds on this leaf. Round it on the alligator pepper seeds. Then you will hold it very well on your left hand and round it on your head 3 times. Then you will put the leaf, the 4 alligator pepper seeds in your mouth and eat everything and swallow it also. That is how you will be doing it for 7 days with 1 leaf and 4 alligator pepper seeds every day. At the same time of the evening, you started the first one. And remember, you must always go to the same stubborn grass you started with. As you start doing it, please always avoid anything sexual intercourse or throughout the 7 days. As you start doing it, please always avoid anything sexual intercourse all throughout the 7 days. Thank you. If you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on the notification icon for more updates.